The fluidity card, guys, the two of discs, generally speaking, that's one of those cards where you finish right around even for the most part. And you can see we have a big move higher and then a failure card that's nullified, which means like we had a big fall from to the low, but it was nullified by movement in the opposite direction. So yeah, that's the failure card. Queen of Discs is a revisiting within a sharp dip. Within a period of bullish volatility, there's a revisiting of a support level that was an opportunity. You can see that's where we're at right now. Right around the close, there'll be roughly three attempts to poke through a resistance level and then a further decline. Only thing that I find a little tricky is in the post-market, we have a high correlator as well, but my sense is that we won't be seeing this 403, 40, this 404 level again. We're coming back down. There isn't another big high up here. There may be a crest in the post market, but I don't see a high. Following day, we break down from this price level, guys. Either that or, matter of fact, looks like we break down from an important price level. And being that we have the Princess of Wands here in the middle of the day on for Tuesday the 17th, I'm going to go ahead and say that that's likely the price level that we don't see again for a while. So yeah, guys, everything going pretty much according to plan. You know, a breakdown from through support 1, 2, bounced around on support, right, and then further down, right. That's the debauch card. We had kind of a little bit of a turnaround here if you want to go into like 1 minute charts right around the open. You can see right around the open we had some like bullish rotation, boom, and then we had another deep drop, Ace of Cups, followed by a move higher to close to overbought territory on the RSI, right, and then it's selling down from that crest. That looks like in the next hour between... Yeah, well, we have multiple failed attempts here to break through resistance. And then we have that big pop higher followed by a sharp decline. Easier to do it like this. Full card followed by the ruin card, and then we're going to hit that support level. But again, we were right around here, these levels, when we opened, and the fluidity card, generally speaking, it's not always the case, but in most cases it's going to foretell of kind of like close to even, a close to even day as far as like the price level for the open and the close. So this is the failed attempts to break resistance right here, right? And then we have the breakout up above it, but that's just a lucky opportunity when we turn around and there's that decline. All right, guys, look out for some June stuff. It's going to be coming out pretty soon. I'm also going to be doing an update per request of one of our viewers. I'm going to do an update on the S&P 2022 one-year reading, because as you get further out in time, you got to remember, guys, I always say the sequence of events is always accurate. The timing, especially when you're going out like a year, like the sequence may get like at points like squished in or pulled or stretched, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that later today, and then we'll update the 2022 one-year reading for the S&P 500. I do foresee a crest of some sort here at the end of the month or in June before a further decline. But I'll have to look closer, and you'll see that on the video coming out relatively soon, guys. So look out for that. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.